Hey everyone, TTT here. Let's take the next lesson. "29 and 6 again."
Iro,
Color: Iro for Konyomi and Shoku Oshiki for Onyomi, written with 6 strokes. The shape of Iro looks like some colorful balloons. Next one.
Ki,
Yellow: Ki for Konyomi and Ko or O for Onyomi, written with 11 strokes. The shape of Ki looks like yellow dandelions.
Kuro,
Black: Kuro for Konyomi and Koku for Onyomi, written with 11 strokes. The shape of Kuro looks like a black chalkboard with students sitting in front of it. Halfway done.
Michi,
Road or way: Michi for Konyomi and Do or To for Onyomi, written with 12 strokes. The shape looks like a road crossing with a person walking next to it.
Kado,
Corner, angle or horn: Kado or Tsuno for Konyomi and Kaku for Onyomi, written with 7 strokes. The shape of Kado is made up of 4 boxes. You can remember that 4 boxes have a whole lot of corners.
Taka,
Tall, high, expensive: Taka for Konyomi and Ko for Onyomi, written with 10 strokes. You can imagine Taka as a tall tower, rising high in the sky, and it was probably expensive to build. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Now a small quiz, and then probably a dungeon. English meaning of key: yellow. Konyomi reading of road: Michi. Onyomi of tall: Ko. English meaning of Kado: corner, angle, horn. Konyomi of color: Iro. And kanji for black: Kuro. That's the quiz done. There has to be a better way to restore Japan than just visiting each and every shrine. But I don't have any ideas, neither does Chippins. Does Chippin ever have any ideas? Of course, Chippins is very smart. Perhaps we could set up a chain reaction. Huh? What do you mean? Well, if we could link a whole bunch of shrines together, then if we made a prayer to one, it would activate all of them. And how exactly would you go about linking them? How would we do something like that? How do you link shrines together? I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud. It's hopeless. Ah, everyone, Shiro and I have been discussing where we should travel next. We want to try a large target, a full city. If we can restore a massive city to Japan, it will be a great victory for us. What place are you thinking of? Tokyo. Tokyo. Well, no one can say you don't dream big. It will be a challenge, that's for sure. However, if we can find the shrine in Tokyo, I'm confident we can transport the entire city back to Japan. And hopefully, the citizens along with it. Alright, looks like we're going to Tokyo. It's Frederick's and Shippin's big city adventure. Oh, here goes nothing. What? Tokyo times then? That is Tokyo. We also have one side quest. Yeah, one side quest. We can do that next time. Since that's when the town invasion will likely happen again. Alright, key, yellow.
こう
In, pull.
He.
Also stupid poison. Mon, gate. Why do we have gate? There.
角
What? Here's the poison. Kado, corner. Wait, no, that's the one Kado. That Kado.
角
Shitsu, womb. Oh. What's the Kunyan of that? There.
室
Hero, color.
食
Yoa, weak.
弱
And Ie, house. Hmm.
いいえ
I'm already having a little bit of trouble even though we have barely any kanji yet. Legendary life ring. Shitsu, womb.
室
We have color twice. Hero.
式食
And Yumi bow.
9
Taka. Tall or expensive.
高
Katana. Sword.
刀
And Ie, house.
矢
And there's still more here. Let's hear in that case. Tera, temple.
じ
Taka, tall.
こ
Ki, yellow.
うき
And to, hit. No, that's not the word to. That's also not the word to. Where is it? There it is.
Ah.
Seriously, we can't cross the road here? Arcane parchment? What is that? Ah, okay. A paper jump for sure. Michi Road.
どう
That's a lot of damage. Do, to.
こ
We have that twice actually.
と
Okay, Taka, tall.
こ
And Katana, sword.
刀
Can't copy Max. And there's the boss. Color, Iro.
色
In, pull.
ひ
Terra, temple.
てら
Kado, corner. I already forgot where it was. There.
つの
Taka, tall.
高
And Kuro, black.
黒
There we go. That's the boss done. The shrine is over here. Okay, we'll follow you. Here. Everyone ready to make a prayer? Really focus this time. We'll be transporting a gigantic city. Ready? It worked. Yes, I can hardly believe it. We actually did it. Tokyo has gone back to Japan. Well done everyone. Wasn't expecting such an easy victory. Everyone. Who's there? Amane? Amane, what are you doing here? Hana, Elliot, everyone. You need to leave this world. It's not right for you to be here. Master Katsukiyo knows what you're doing. He sent Masakuni to come and find you. But Amane, did you come here just to warn us? I never wanted to be a part of this. You have to understand that. But Master Katsukiyo's family, my only family. Family means something, right? Even though I don't want to help the Obake, I'm doing it for my family. So, does that make it a valid choice? So that makes it a valid choice, doesn't it? Amane, come with us. We'll protect you. We're going to restore Japan to its former self. It will be like none of this ever happened. I can't go with you. Masakuni will find you soon. If he finds me with you, he will... I have to go. But please, don't carry on with this any longer. just return to your world. Goodbye. Amane, let her go. She's made her decision. But was it the right decision? For her it was. Nah. Elliot, are you okay? It's nothing. I'm fine. Amane. And on that note, let's end it here. See you guys next time. Until then, bye bye.